why is why is why is why is there a nigga flash stepping in Jujutsu Kaisen? What's happening? Surely. There's only so many punches a nigga can take, please. That, oh yeah, Deku's a hero, this and that. Yeah, I get it. But this nigga is a demon. Kill him!
Just wait to see me on the news. I'll be in Tokyo with the goons.
Alright, cool. So we got a couple trailers to watch, and we got a couple things to catch up on during this stream. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, cool. My bad. Anyways. Alright, let's get into the MHA final season. Yo, I can't lie, anime fans are eating good in the next couple seasons. I ain't gonna lie. We got Solo Leveling. I think that's coming out as well. JJK, My Hero. I mean, My Hero's... But, alright, let's go. No possible way that this whole fight lasts the entire season. Surely. There's only so many punches a nigga can take, please. Okay, I get that. Oh yeah, Deku's a hero, this and that. Yeah, I get it. But this nigga is a demon. Kill him! I'm sorry. This guy is a demon. Why are you trying to save a villain? It doesn't make sense. This is the one thing MHA turned me off about. I can't lie. It just turned it like my brain just snapped off as soon as this happened. Bro has multiple quirks. Why? He started off with 0. Why does he now have 7? Why does he now have 7? Like, oh shit, that's soon. Oh, that's in like the next couple weeks. Every Saturday at 5:30. You see, I hate on this anime so much, but I'll be there every week. There's so many inconsistencies in the story. I just don't like it. At the same time, we started back in like 2017, 2018. I can't stop now. I've been watching it week by week since then. Anyways, we got JJK season 3 official teaser. It's a teaser, not a trailer.
Wait, what?
You see, JJK is the only anime that I haven't read the manga for. Like, I don't have any spoilers for this. Like, this is genuinely new shit for me. So I gotta watch it. What the fuck was that? What is happening? Did I just see a flying Maharaga? Oh. Let's rewind. Am I bugging? No. I'm not bugging. It's not Maharaga. I was about to fucking say. If that nigga could fly that, nah, I don't even want to see that abomination.
お前一人で勝手に諦めるな。俺たちはヒーローじゃない。呪術師だ。
五条先生の教え子だもん。一筋縄じゃいかないか。ごめんね。虎杖君。
Isn't that Uta? Is it Yuta or Uta? I'm just gonna say Uta. Why is bro hunting down Yuji?
あいつの力が大きくなってるのを感じる。スクナが伏黒で何か企んでる。悪いけどまだ死ぬわけにはいかねえんだ。
とんでもねえ呪力量だ。話は終わり。
俺の弟に手を出して。
I'm sorry, was this nigga just flash stepping? why is there a nigga flash stepping in Jujutsu Kaisen? What's happening?
生きて帰れると思っているのか。
全ての歪みがあの時始まったのかもしれない。全部壊して
抱いてやるよ。俺のせいで
Oh, was that Maki? Hold on. Wait, was that Maki?
かもしれない。全部
He's looking tough. Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is... Isn't that her sister? Am I bugging? I don't know.
壊して
抱いてやるよ。俺のせいで大勢死んだんだぞ。頼む。お前の力が必要だ。自分のためだけに生きるのはきっといつか限界が来る。
When's it coming out? Tell me a good...
行くよ。リカ。
Okay, realistically, what the fuck is Yuji doing to Rika, of all people? I watched that movie. I watched that Zero movie. Yuji can't handle that. He can't. He can't. There's no way.
純愛だよ。
大義だ。
Now we got the Sekiro anime that I never saw fucking coming. I saw this like 2 weeks ago and on YouTube and I was like, I'm gonna react to that on stream. Then proceeded not to react to it. I can't lie to you. I just stopped streaming.
誰もいない道。
Oh, hold on. Let's start this from the beginning. The Sekiro
誰もいな
anime.
い道。行く先のない。
久しいな。
I can't lie. For an anime with Sekiro's name, you had to make it hard. Why was I just seeing? I can't lie. Something was just off about the whole thing. I just didn't like it. I didn't like it. I just don't like the animation style, nothing. I don't like anything about this shit, and I'm not even being a hater. I just don't like it. Because why do they kind of look like JoJo characters? Am I bugging? To be fair, you know what? Towards the end, they kind of got me. Towards the end, I don't like the art style. I don't fuck with that. That looks dead. I can't lie to you. I don't fuck with the art style. Everything else is cool. Everything else is cool.